Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to fix setup is already running. Please try to start the setup later. Issue of AVG Antivirus. As you can see, there is no option to stop this program of any kind. So let's uninstall it from settings. First, turn off the enable self-defense mode and click repair apps. It's not responding. Now click the add or modify components. It shows us the error dialogues. So let's try to uninstall from it. Control panel, click uninstall a program and find the AVG and right click and click uninstall. As you can see, the same problem up here. So let's see how to fix that issue. Open your browser and go to this link. This link is available in the video description, and download the AVG clean from this link. Wait a little bit. Click start download. So download is completed, and now here is our file. Just double click and open. As you can see, this program need to be switched to safe mode because sometimes it is not possible to terminate some programs. It is possible to do it from safe mode. So click yes and it will automatically go into safe mode. After the safe mode is loaded, click on the AVG again and wait till it prepares. Now select your product and click uninstall. It will take a little bit to uninstall completely your program, so wait a little bit. As you can see, our program is completely uninstalled. Thanks for watching.